Turn the laptop off and disconnect the power cord. Start by removing the bezel. Insert a plastic peg between the bezel and the LCD. Move it along the perimeter. Put the bezel aside. The screen is held in place with adhesive strips with loose tabs in the upper corners. Using tweezers, pick up the tab at the top right corner. Roll the adhesive strip up onto the screwdriver. Pull it up to release the right side of the screen. The adhesive strip on the left side of the laptop was fragile, and we have to use a hairdryer to soften the glue. Insert a plastic peg between the screen and the back cover and move it along the edge. Pull the LCD from the back cover. Place the screen on the keyboard and remove the remaining adhesive. Using plastic pick and fingers, peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket and secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. Also, make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Now we can test the new screen. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Turn the screen on. The screen is working and we can finish the installation process. We're going to use a set of adhesive strips to reattach the screen to the back cover. You can buy a set of adhesive strips on our site, LaptopScreen.com. Using alcohol and a piece of cloth, clean the sides of the new screen. Apply the adhesive strips. Peel off the protective film. And lift the screen up and apply some pressure. Remove the protective film from the new screen. Using tweezers, tuck the adhesive pads in so they don't get in the way of the bezel. Replace the bezel. Start from the bottom and go around the perimeter. Make sure that the bezel is in place at the bottom of the screen. Turn the laptop on and we're done.